Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you my recent purchase, and it's Rouge Dior Ultra Care liquid lipstick. This lipstick is out now on Dior website and also on Sephora Italy, but I think it will be out very soon also on physical stores. This lipstick is the liquid version of Rouge Dior Ultra Care. The range of color is very different, but it's between natural colors and glamour colors, so you can choose very natural shades to beautiful red, and they are inspired also to flowers shine. There are two kinds of finish for liquid lipsticks, and they are matte or shine. Shine version is not glossy, but it's a slightly shine effect on your lips. Instead, matte is not a dry out formula, but they are soft and comfortable on your lips. So I really love Lip Magnet by Armani, and that's why I chose the liquid version of this lipstick. I already have a different liquid lipstick by Dior. This is Sauvage Matte, for example. This product is more creamy than this. This is a very weightless lipstick in my opinion. So I took number 866. It's Romantic. I spent a lot of time choosing the right shade, and I really don't know if it is the right shade for me. I started to want a natural lipstick, then I decided to move to the red side of a red blue lipstick, the cool tones. I wanted a matte formula because I really wanted to see if it was similar to my beloved Lip Magnet, and I wanted a natural shade like this, but the rosewood shade, in my opinion, looked a little bit grey, so I am so pale, and if I put something between rose and grey, I look horrible. So I decided to go stronger and take a red, no, the 999, that's the classic red by Dior. So I moved to a cherry red, and I hoped also to have some samples of the iconic shade, but no samples arrived, so I couldn't try Caress, that's 808, that's one of the iconic shades by Peter Phillips. It's a brownish shade, very particular, and I think it's not a matte one, but it's a shiny shade. And then the classic red, and also an orange shade. So this is the only one shade I have, and I can taste only this one. So let's open. As you can see, this lipstick applicator is very nice, and it reminds me of Yves Saint Laurent, but also of Armani Lip Magnet, and this is Armani Lip Magnet. Let's compare them. Yes, very pointed, and they seem to be both precise. Let's try it. Before starting, I have to say these lipsticks really smell like the classic old lipstick. It's the perfume of those classic lipsticks. Very smooth. Yes, the applicator is very precise. It texture is soft, like this from Dior. The color is very beautiful, so I'm happy with my choice. It's not a very cool red. I say it's quite balanced in my opinion. It's matte but still luminous, and this is very important in my opinion. I feel my lips soft and not dry. As I said before, even if the formula is more similar to this one, this velvety finish when you apply on your lips, but it's very weightless like this, like lip magnet. And this is the first swipe. I can apply a second layer. You can apply also this lipstick in a different way, so if you take a red one shade, you can use it for a less intensity effect. And you can also obtain a blur effect like Korean girls with your fingers. So this is the second swipe, and you can see I built a little bit up this color. That's very stunning. In my opinion, it could be also perfect for next Christmas holiday. So I'm already ready for winter. Yes, I am quite satisfied with this product. I said quite because I really don't know if it's long lasting, and you know, when you have red lips, long lasting is something you hope to have. So this is the petal finish that Dior claims, and I have to say yes, because it's luminous and velvet. Velvet is something you really feel on your lips at the first swipe when you apply this this lipstick. Take something to eat. Second bite. Now something to drink. I love to test with makeup like this. Just a little bit, but my lipstick is still at this place. And the strange thing is that you feel the lipstick move, but it doesn't move. So you feel this velvet finish, but it doesn't really move from your lips. So in this place, that's the ugliest thing to see with a red or a dark lipstick. When it goes away, it's very horrible in my opinion. So now you can see, yes, it's clearer, but not so much, so it fades beautifully in my opinion. I can try to retouch my lipstick. So it's easy to retouch. Yes, it's easy to retouch if you are out and you're eating something or you're drinking something. So I'm quite satisfied. It passed the test, my teasing test. And if you have questions, please write me down a comment. Keep following me on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel for other reviews. Bye!